Hi, Dr. Ziggy here with Matt behind the camera.
Hey, hey.
But not for long, because I've created some more AI memes and I want Matt to sit here and I want him to judge them.
Oh, FaceTime.
FaceTime, that's right. You're going to be in the hot seat. Now, I had a lot of fun creating these. You know, sometimes when you're working on the computer and you just chuckle to yourself or laugh out loud to yourself. That was me creating these memes. But I want you to judge them mercilessly. I want you to just rip them apart if they're bad, but they're not. They're good. They're good.
Are they as good as last time?
They're better.
Thank God.
Hey, come on, they were good last time, man. All right, you ready? Okay. Well, this is Matt, guys. Usually he's behind the camera, but once again, he's taken the hot seat because I'm excited for him to have a look at my own creations.
It's a pretty hot seat. I don't know what you've been eating today.
Fruits, man. Fruits from the garden. That's what I've been eating. All right, you ready?
Ready, Freddy.
All right, let's go.
I bet he's thinking about other women. I can't believe that ChatGPT thinks my ideas are great. Yeah, I can totally relate to this. You know what we should be doing? Be rating these memes in the same thing that study rated them as.
Okay. Just give it out of 10. Give it out of 10.
Out of 10? Yeah, I reckon this is a 7.
Dude, 7.
You told me to be harsh.
7. No, I want you to be fair. I don't want you to be harsh. I want you to be fair.
In that case, I'll give it a 6. No, it's pretty good. I'll give it a 7.
Uh-oh. This might go downhill after this. All right.
Big tech when it spends trillions on AI. Big tech when they see me asking AI how to boil an egg. Is this referring to like a specific thing?
No, this is just like sometimes I ask AI. You've probably done this too. I ask AI the stupidest things, and then I just think to myself, they've spent trillions on this, and then I'm asking them stupid stuff. Yeah. All right, next one.
I love this meme template. There's a lot of meme templates that you talk about that you love. I'm somewhat of myself is one of my favorites of all time. Every fucker that you know I'm something of a software engineer myself. Yeah. I love it. The more specific this meme is, the funnier it is.
Yeah. The more niche it gets, the funnier it gets.
There's one I saw where somebody had like photoshopped the Subway outfit on him, and it was like, I'm something of an artist myself. Because they call themselves sandwich artists.
Yeah, that's right. That's good. That's funny, man.
Dad, is my sister's name Rose? Because your mother loves roses. Thanks, Dad. No trouble. Certainly, here are some ideas for baby boys. I've seen some pretty rude versions of this meme. I was wondering where you were going to go with it.
Nah, mate. That's good, man.
I like that, actually, yeah. I haven't been rating them. I'll give this one a 6 because I gave your other one a 7.
Okay.
This is pretty good.
I like this one. I like this one.
It's pretty up there. Look at me, OpenAI. I am the captain. Yes.
Google, man. Google came from nowhere, like we discussed in our summary of 2025 video. Google came from nowhere, and they're in the lead now. They're in the lead now when it comes to AI. Yeah.
I'd be disappointed at Google if they weren't, because they've got so much resources, like data, and they've been around for so long, and they played
it well though, because I mean other companies have got a lot of resources as well, like Apple, and they've flunked Microsoft as well. Copilot, no one likes Copilot, but Google's done really, really well in managing this whole landscape of AI. Yeah.
OpenAI after Apple chose Google to power Series AI.
Yes. Apple completely ignored OpenAI.
This is a 9.
This is a 9. You like this one? I wasn't sure if to include this one. Oh wow.
I feel this one.
Yeah.
I feel it.
Oh wow. I was like, should I include this one? Is it funny? Oh wow. Okay. I didn't think this one would be good.
That's so good. Yes. Because I can imagine this. It's like, just
when Sam Altman got the news, that would have been him. Yeah.
Why? That's so good. OpenAI after each funding round.
Can I have some more?
AI, AGI, ASI, OMG. Nice.
That's an in-joke.
Nice.
So those that haven't seen my previous videos, in a skit, I coined the new term OMG, Omnipotent Machine God. And I'm using them, man. I'm milking this cow.
I like this a lot, actually. This is a 10.
This is a 10, yeah.
Wait, what? Australia still doesn't have their own LLM?
This one's not meant to be funny.
What's up with that?
It costs too much money, and we haven't managed it well enough. We haven't managed it. So all our data is going overseas. All of it, right? All of it. And then all the lawyers and politicians, they can't use ChatGPT at work because of privacy concerns. We're behind in that respect. This one's my 50-50 funny. I just thought I'd...
Well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Dr. Ziggy.
No, you're not. We'll see you back for more videos soon.